Bring the shade with you wherever you travel with the Quik Shade Solo Steel Ultra Compact Canopy. The canopy's unique design allows for it to fold down to just 40 inches in height. This is a great feature for owners of vehicles with limited trunk space or smaller back seats that still would like to use a canopy at the beach, sporting event, or car show. The Solo Steel Canopy provides 64 square feet of shade with its 8 foot by 8 foot canopy top. It has a slanted leg design and the base measures 10 foot by 10 foot. No more pinched fingers with the latest model of the Solo Steel. This canopy sets up easily thanks to its 3-piece telescoping leg design and new locking levers. These levers allow for easier setup, takedown, and height adjustments. To adjust the height, simply flip open the lever on each leg and extend the leg to the desired height. The durable top features an aluminum lining to keep it cooler on hot days. The frame is constructed of powder-coated steel. It includes a convenient roller bag for easy storage and transport. With its 40-inch folded height and weighing in at just 32 pounds, the Solo Steel Ultra Compact Canopy is an easy canopy to take with you wherever you go next.